Thank you, sir. Um, Ms. Gauri Kumar, Secretary Coordination, Agnihotri Saab, other distinguished delegates on the dais. Well, when the program for 1,75,000 megawatt was carved out, there were four things that they thought were very, very important. One was land. They said, well, 0.5% of the land is sufficient to get us to 1 lakh, more than 1,75,000 megawatt of renewable energy. Transmission infrastructure, they said, yes, we can start planning now. It will take 3 years, and yes, 3 to 5 years we will be there. Then they realize whether there will be enough developers coming in for it, and in Reinvest, they found that there was commitments of more than 2,83,000 megawatt against our requirement of maybe 1,75,000. Even if some of them were not that serious, probably we will achieve it. And then everybody was little worried on whether financing would be sufficiently available because it was a huge program. But if you look at globally also, in last 5 years, sir, the investment in renewable has been more than in conventional power. Similar trend is bound to go now in renewable also, sir. There are bigger players, sir, like Power Finance Corporation, REC, who are funding conventional power, but now they would start funding renewable. Probably the funds start flowing, sir, when the projects are in place, the regulatory mechanism in place, the government support is there, the viability is, people are sure that yes, they will generate power for bankers. Bankers want it for 12 years till the pendency of the loan, but yes, developers would want it for 25 years. And what we have seen is today, why they were worried probably was because then only 3,000 megawatt, 5,000 megawatt was being added. So they realized when the fund flow is so small, but it was the project flow was smaller, sir. And once the projects start growing up, I mean, next year, the planning is, I think, 12,000 megawatt of grid connected solar will come. And I am sure the financing would not be an issue. We have seen in the Reinvest, they also wanted to assess whether bankers were interested in financing. 37 banks gave a commitment for fund 73,000 megawatt of renewable energy. Besides this, a lot of innovative financing is taking place. We were also allotted 5,000 crores of tax-free bond. 2,000 crores were given to us, 1,000 to NTPC, to REC, and to Power Finance Corporation. So that would reduce the cost of funds. The RBI came out with the priority sector lending for smaller projects up to 15 crores can be funded under priority sector lending, and also home loans will become, for renewable energy, will become part of priority sector lending. So lending for smaller projects would be available. Then tax-free bonds are being, the coupon rate is 7.3%. So the interest rates for renewables is bound to come down with tax-free bonds will help. I mean, we will come out with specific schemes for projects where the interest rate will be lower. Besides this, sir, the bond market, the green bond market is also evolving. And in fact, offshore rupee bonds, I mean, IFC is chasing us that why don't you prepare yourself for offshore market? We require sufficient funds also for that, sir. Then very interesting concept of yield course is coming, sir. Where like companies, some of the companies, I don't want to name them, but they are raising money at a much lower rate, and then they are repaying the bank, sir. So, sir, what has happened last year, though we funded much more than our previous year, lot of money was prepaid to us. And our asset book has in fact shrunk, sir, rather than growing, even after funding. So that is where we stand with regard to funding. Very interesting thing. I mean, because they raise money from the bonds, the yield costs are repaying us because they are raising it at a lower rate. And of course, we will also be raising now money for offshore bonds. And then credit enhancement is being given by IFCL. We will also be doing it. So they can raise money from the bond market, and which will be much cheaper, sir. So, of course, and sir, multilateral and bilateral funding is also available to us. And I would like to share with you, we got without sovereign guarantee first time from AFD, and now KfW has also agreed to give us a non-sovereign line of credit, sir. So from the point of view of financing, I feel it is in control, and I'm sure. I mean, as the renewable energy projects pick up, I think financing would be available. Uh, Definitely, maybe some players would find it difficult initially, but then as the technology evolves, yes, lenders do take some time, but the funding per se for viable projects for mature technologies is available, sir. Thank you.